Hi everyone, good day. So right at this moment, I am going to discuss to you the ester band and the urea cycle. What is an ester band? An ester band is a chemical linkage formed between an acid group and an alcohol group, resulting in the release of water. It is crucial in biochemistry for forming lipids and other compounds. So now, let's proceed to the urea cycle. Urea cycle is a biochemical pathway in the liver that converts toxic ammonia, a waste product from protein metabolism, into less harm urea. This cycle is vital for mammals as it detoxifies ammonia and enables its excretion in urine. The process involves a series of enzymatic reactions using ammonia, carbon dioxide, and ATP to produce urea, with key intermediate compounds like ornithine, citrulline, and arginine.